black seed, whose homeland is Southwest Asia, has been one of the most popular herbs in medicine throughout history. It is one of the most scientifically researched plants, while the benefits of black seed, which contains all the beneficial components of the soil, do not end by counting on new benefits is being discovered every day. This seed, which provides incredible benefits to our body with it is rich compound pool, is good for many metabolic diseases. What are the benefits of black cumin seed, when and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free. Before moving on to the benefits, we are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of consuming a spoonful of black seed a day? Black seed contains healthy fats such as omega-3, which protect heart health. It is a very good source, especially for phenolic acid. It contains plenty of folic acid, niacin, iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc, and amino acids. Fatty acids help to raise the levels of good cholesterol in the body, while helping to lower the levels of bad cholesterol. The phytosterols it contains reduce the formation of inflammation in the veins. At some time, this seed is very beneficial for liver health. Who cleans? The liver that cleans our whole body. Of course, black seeds, with the toxin-reducing substance it contains, it assumes very important responsibilities for the correct cleanse of not only the liver but also all organ structures. On the other hand, this nutrient affects glucose tolerance as well as metformin. It has a very rich content of unsaturated fatty acids that balance the amount of sugar in your blood and control the way it is used by the body. It creates a strong protective shield for diseases caused by sugar imbalances. Moreover, this nutrient is a good source of insoluble fiber, which is insoluble fiber, water, and remains in the digestive tract after consumption. Insoluble fiber helps improve digestion by absorbing excess water in the gut. There are about 10 grams of dietary fiber in 2 spoons of black seed. This ratio supports the growth of probiotic bacteria in the large intestine. In addition, the omega-3 it contains increases the basal metabolic rate, and a well-functioning metabolism facilitates weight controls in the long run by helping fat cells to be used in the energy system. Black cumin seed for a healthier brain structure. Studies have found that this seed improves attention and concentration. It contains potassium, which increases blood flow to the brain and also maintains cell structure. This compound, which works to prevent brain diseases and has very important health benefits, fights stress and depression caused by low serotonin levels. So, are there any harms of black seeds? First of all, this grain, which has very important effects for our stomach and intestinal health with its spongy structure and fiber content, invades the entire digestive system, including the stomach and entire, when consumed in high amounts and for short periods of time. In addition, there is black seed extract among the compounds used by the medicine world today. Therefore, it can interfere with some medications, especially if you have medication that you need to use constantly. You should consult your doctor before adding strong compounds such as black seed. to your diet. So, how much should we consume black seed? Experts state that consuming a teaspoon of black seeds 5 to 6 days a week is very beneficial for our body. In the light of this information, you can add black seed to your nutrient program and benefit from its long-term benefits. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, stay safe, stay informed.